today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from Lenovo Smart Tab Yoga. So in the first step, open the Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. Tap on the allow. And if you want to send your message for free, restart the application to show the free credits banner again. Now click on the plus and choose source of your document, like something with the gallery. I'm gonna pick any picture to show you the other methods. There are other options. So select the image or the document and click on the import. Now you can add a shape to your document or the picture, and if you're ready, click on the arrow icon. Now choose the filter for photo to make it more visible. Maybe not in my case, but never mind. Click on the accept icon. And now enter the number in this place and choose the country from the list. To send the message, just click on this button. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.